What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best kids drone on the market. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Oh, by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Do check it out. Our list begins with the Potensic T25 Drone. This drone comes with a carrying case equipped with an advanced GPS, engineered to locate the drone. It offers an auto-return feature when the battery is low or if it loses signal. With the new function, you can have more fun and enjoy a safer flight. It has an adjustable wide-angle camera that works perfectly, letting you see what your drone sees, ideal for filming a designated spot or to look around. Plus, it uses a 2K 120-degree FOV WiFi camera to capture clear pictures, even if the drone flies at high speed, letting you see what your drone sees, ideal for filming a designated spot or only looking around. Additionally, the drone is safe enough for the beginner or expert because it comes with durable rubbery plastic and protection guards. You can plan flight routes with the built-in map on the app. Next on the line, we have the Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone. This drone is equipped with a 1080p FOV 120-degree HD FPV camera that can capture memorable moments with distortion-free and view images on your phone from the wide-angle lens. When you focus on shooting images, you may set your hands off the joystick, and the drone still suspends in mid-air with locked altitude. When the drone hits a wall or people, the guards can protect people and the drone itself. This drone has two modular batteries that are easy to charge and replace, and safer to set it and last longer. Its FPV real-time transmission helps you to see the beautiful and wonderful world uniquely. However, its gravity sensor mode allows the user to control the drone by holding and moving the smartphone accordingly. Besides, you can draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along the path you set, adding much fun to your flight. The X20 Pocket Quadcopter from Syma is a pocket-sized drone that includes features such as one-key takeoff or landing, auto-hover function, 360-degree flip, and more. The drone is powered via a rechargeable 180 mAh Li-ion battery that yields up to 5 minutes of flight time. The 2.4 GHz remote controller is powered using 4 AA batteries. It supports the auto-hovering feature, which is an altitude-holding technology that lets the flying drone stabilize and suspend in midair automatically, even when you let go of the controls. It is a 6-axis gyro quad rotorcraft flight with strong stability that can quickly implement various flight movements. Stronger wind resistance, easier to control. This quadcopter is equipped with one key taking off and landing, which makes the drone easier to fly and better to control for any level of players. Prepare to do battle with the Propel RC Star Wars X-Wing Battling Quadcopter. It features working battle cannons that let you battle with up to 12 other Star Wars quadcopters at once. This quadcopter can reach flying speeds up to 35 miles per hour, has auto takeoff and landing, and more. It offers 3 speed settings that allow anyone from beginner to advanced to pilot the quadcopter. Equipped with an altitude stabilization mode makes piloting easy, T mode for beginner pilot training, and auto takeoff and landing. Its hobby-grade controller lights up, vibrates, and plays music to enhance your combat experience. Additionally, the reverse propulsion design can maneuver into sidewinder barrel rolls at the push of a button. However, LED directional lights and working battle cannons let you battle with up to 12 other Star Wars quadcopters at once. Enjoy hours of flying fun with this Holystone HS170 Predator Mini RC helicopter drone. It features 2.4 GHz technology for smooth operation with less interference. This drone for kids has an aerodynamic design to reduce wind resistance. This model includes a remote control and operates at a range of 30 meters to 50 meters. Its headless security system enables any level of players to fly the drone quickly. The 6-axis gyro technology enables the drone to flip and roll by a simple push of the button. Hold down the right direction stick to perform a cool roll in any direction. Its colorful LED lights make it easy to identify the front and back to make the quad a great night flyer. Moreover, headless mode brings much more confidence for the beginners and young children, under which no matter what direction the aircraft is facing. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the Snapton H823H drone. It is a compact drone with multiple functions, designed primarily for novice pilots. You can fly the drone in headless mode without worrying about what direction it is facing, especially when the drone is far away. Its LED blue headlight allows pilots to orient themselves quickly for flying. The remote control is made from plastic and ideal for children because it is small in size. It offers an automated functions button on the corner of the controller. However, the remote has buttons on it that allow you to change the flight trim. It includes a full built-in protective guard that acts as a shock absorber that reduces the impact and helps ensure that the drone maintains its stability. For instance, this drone features a speed mode that gives flexibility and a smooth learning curve. It has limited flight time and remote control distance, which is reasonable within its price range.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.